We are going to go through a good stretch for the triceps, especially after a heavy traditional swing session with the mace. You know, it definitely tightens up the triceps, so we want to loosen them off, get them stretched out, and we're using the mace for this, which you should have to hand if you've just done a heavy mace session. So what you want to do is cup the head of the mace with your thumb and forefinger and place it round the back of your body. So you should already be in a similar sort of tricep stretch position. Then grab the handle and pull down. So as you do, that'll pull your elbow over to give you an extra bit of stretch. You can help this along by leaning to the side and even exposing your armpit a touch to really help that stretch. You want to do it for about 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds on one side, and of course, switch and go again on the other side. Hope that helps. Add it to your routines. Extra bit of